Alright, now I'm getting really carried away here. I've cut these open and didn't even turn the camera on. This is from Karen Pushman, and she is from New South Wales, and she has sent me a piece of fabric in my challenge and made a... Oh, look at this envelope. Isn't this awesome? They made me this envelope. Nice card. Look at that. Oh, isn't this pretty? Congratulations, Sonia. It's a piece of kimono fabric. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. This isn't this beautiful? Oh, look, it goes nice together. Look at me. Oh, dear. Oh, no, isn't that nice? Oh, wow. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, isn't that lovely? Thank you, Karen. That is so beautiful. And Karen lives in New South Wales, but I think she might be a bit far away from me, where I live, because it's a big place. Oh, wow, look at that. Isn't that nice? I do love that. Thank you. Oh, dear, I'm going to have to find something nice and jazzy to do with it, aren't I? I've got to make these things look good. I don't want to... Thank you so much, Karen. Thank you. And thank you, everybody, for watching. Bye-bye.